Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
It's an absolute honor to have you here, and thank you for your time, new mommy.
Thank you. You want me to say that? So when Raj called me up to unveil this video, I couldn't believe I was getting a chance to actually see first-time director, first-time actor, two men I love, doing something together, and I was getting a chance to do something with them. I was like delighted. So Raj I've known from the time my fellow Gemini got hitched, and I call him Jijaji. And this is my other real Jijaji, Rohit. And I think it's amazing. Anita, of course, you know, now you have strict competition in this video. You have another diva. So I'm so happy. I've heard the track before. It is fantastic. The video is fantastic. We should actually unveil it.
Yes, do it.
Let's do this.
That's what we're here for.
You guys are going to be shocked. It's unbelievably beautiful. Thank you.
We're ready for the digital age now.
Yes.
It's done.
It's done?
It's done. If you just step on the side. Dil थाम के बैठिए आ भाई वापस आ जाओ time हो गया. And for me, the favorite part of the whole thing, apart from of course the abs, was the flick of the chain at the end. What attitude and swerve! So I think that should be. Was that the direction part?
All him.
Directing this for the first time.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for coming and seeing our directorial debuts. I'm not going to take any credit for this because it's very easy to write a script on paper, but for it to become reality, you need to be really technical savvy, and that's where Robin came in. Without Robin, I would never been able to direct this video, and I probably wouldn't have directed it. So first, a round of applause to Robin. Yeah, I mean, when I heard the song and it kept repeating in my mind, it's a beautiful song by Rahaji. Lots of visuals kept coming to mind. And we started writing, putting it together, and we only had 2 days to shoot. And I wanted a couple that was romantic, was very mushy, and was okay with the PDA. And the only one couple that came to my mind, my first and last choice, was Anita and Rohit. They're a lovely couple, and when we started discussing the marketing strategy, I wanted a picture with the glass broken, and Anita's like, I'm not doing it, people are going to get the wrong message. Thank you for agreeing, and I think it's just part of the thing. We were not sending any fake news to the market. It was promotion for our song, Teri Yaad. And I hope you all liked it. And to tell you a bit more about the way the direction went ahead, I'm going to introduce you guys to Robin, my co-director. Thank you.
Hey, what's up? So it was very interesting when the script came in because, of course, Raj knows his audience. And for this song, you need to know your audience to get all your views at it. And we took it one step at a time. We agreed we were pretty good in that sense. We agreed Rohit was great. He wasn't, yeah. He gave us a heads up, he's going to be difficult and to work with him, but I think it was super comfortable. And I think we've got a fairly nice final product, and hope you guys appreciate it, and go watch it on YouTube, all music channels. Thank you so much.
So I'm really happy that Teri Yaad is finally out, super excited. And the best part about being a part of this video would probably be to get to know Raj sir. I think you're a great director and an amazing human being, so thank you for having us. It's a romantic video. In fact, while watching it, I got a little emotional. I didn't think I'd feel like this. Thank you very much for bringing Rohit on screen. And baby, you were fab.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for the kind words. But it all boils down to Raj. I remember when we were abroad and we were in Spain, and Anita actually came and told me that Raj has a music video and he would like me to be in it. And guess what? He's proposing your name as well. To which I said, I don't think so. To be honest, I've never done anything. You know, you guys have never seen me in front of the camera. I never wanted to do it. But when we heard the track and when Raj actually put so much of confidence behind it and he said, no, this will work, I just gave in. And the 2 days of the shoot were fabulous. Otherwise, as a newcomer, you are always jittery as to what, like, you don't know what's happening. There's so many lights, makeup, cameras happening. But these guys were like family. They were chilling. They were having fun. And at the end of it, we were a big, large family over the 2 days. Yeah. So thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. Hope you guys love the music.
I think, Anita, when you said baby, you were fab, you really meant baby, your ab. All the ladies in the house, check out किया ना? All the men in the house, check out किया ना? सोच के ऐसे abs बनाने चाहिए. So that was well done. लेकिन ये बताइए कि जब खत्म हो गया था, 14 hours के बाद तो खाना आपने खाया होगा बुफे?
मैंने जो खाना खाया है उसके बाद ये एक सीन था जिसमें राज ने बोला था कि बे बॉडी शॉट है, खाना मत. So I said okay. Overnight I did not eat. I was so hungry. ये लोग खा रहे थे, मेरे सामने खा रहे थे. मैं बोला यार क्या चल रहा है? This is so mean, right? जैसे ही शॉट खत्म हुआ मैंने बोला लाओ सब लाओ, बचा हुआ खाना भी ले आओ. Yeah, but it was fun.
Well, let's just say it was all worth it. सारी मेहनत दिख रही है. And thank you for giving us this product. It's something that I'm sure we'll all enjoy. And like I said, perfect timing with Valentine's Day approaching.